Today we honor the tiny miracle that comforts sore throats and calms pesky coughs, the trusty cough drop. From honey to menthol and even fruity twists, May 13th is the day to celebrate this soothing hero. Did you know? The very first cough drops, dating back to the 1800s, were marketed as medicinal treats. Natural ingredients such as honey, licorice, and herbs were commonly used in early recipes. Menthol remains a favorite ingredient, offering cooling relief and easing congestion. Modern varieties might also come with added vitamin C, zinc, or echinacea for a boost to your immunity. Ways to celebrate. Share your flavor preferences. Are you a fan of classic menthol or perhaps wild cherry? Stock up on your preferred drops. Cold season can surprise you anytime. Explore the history of cough drop production in the 1800s. Hint, they were quite candy-like. Embrace self-care with warm tea and resting your voice for optimal throat comfort. What's your preferred flavor or a special memory associated with a cough drop? Share below.